Nothing can get outside of it.
You're watching PG13 2023.
All day, man. All day. All day. What's up, baby? Say a word. Danny Hayes, Gwynn Park High School football. It's going to be a good game tonight. It's going to be a nice, tough game. A lot of hitting going on tonight. Trust and believe. You know, the bottom line, both teams going to want this thing.
Here we go. Gwynn Park, you're the visiting team.
Second round with a more familiar team that we're playing. Just got to make sure we don't make no mistakes, stay penalty free, and get to the football, get to the quarterback, and make plays.
Kyle Reynolds, Gwynn Park, class of 24. Shout out my mom and my girlfriend.
Cameron Brown, class of 2024. Play D-line. We gonna go up today, baby.
Go 3, baby. 1, 2, 3, defense!
Tassie Matthews, class of 2026. Go Potomac, long live Steph.
Julian Reyes, class of 2026. Go Potomac.
Man, defense, all we gotta do is play hard, and we got this.
Months of bonding together. We just playing as a team, and we just want to keep the season going. That's it.
There you go. Play with it.
We needed this play badly. Our defense kept getting stops. We got back on offense, we got the momentum, and we punched it in.
You know, we played a hell of a game, man. I mean, it's just been a long road from, you know, starting from the beginning, but it's not about how you start, it's about how you finish. It's a brotherhood, you know, and we gotta stay close. And for us seniors, we gotta go to the next level, but also look out for these young guys. It's not just about us, it's about brotherhood.
What's better with both teams, man? I mean, you know, like I said, they got to win today, man. They got to win today. Bottom line, man, we'll be back.
A varsity football team in Maryland is pleading for answers this morning.
This after the Prince George's County school leaders ended the team's run at the playoffs because of an apparent player violation.
You need 1 minute.
This is Coach CJ from Oxon Hill High School, defensive backs coach, and we're here in the second round of the playoffs. We're prepared, and the kids, there's no better atmosphere than this. We're just ready to have fun, and look forward to a great game.
My name is Deshaun Williams, class of 2027, D tackle, nose guard, and guard. Go Clippers.
Push yourselves, guys. We're about to have some fun, huh?
Hi, my name is Aaron Aldeji, class of 2025. I play quarterback, number 8. Go Clippers.
Hi, my name is Sean Frederick. I'm the head coach at Mount Hebron High School. We are in our second round of playoffs this week playing the Oxon Hill Clippers. I'm real excited about this game.
Hi, my name is Toby Lewis, class of 2024, quarterback. Let's go Vikings.
Hi, I'm Logan Rule, a senior, left tackle, 72. Go Vikings.
Come on, stay out there, stay right there. Come and get him, come and get him. Good job. I know, but we supposed to have the person in every day. It was 6-1. Hey. Get back so you can see and read your keys.
just great blockers all around. They got them, they hooked them inside. I was able to get around the edge with my speed. Touchdown.
Who's 11? One pass, goal.
Just like the last one, great blocking. I seen it cut back. I went for it, used my skills. Touchdown again. Get right back in this thing.
So we're gonna try to funnel him back in the middle. So we're gonna go 6-2, but y'all two gonna have the A-gap.
How to use my juke move ability, shake a man, get free, you got a touchdown.
Good game, coach. Good luck you guys next week, man. Good luck you guys next week, man. Hey, good game, good job. Good luck, man. Good job, gentlemen. You really make some noise and take the program to another level, and I think you guys did. We're gonna win like men and we're gonna lose like men. So I'm proud of your effort towards the end, but we gotta continue to strive and get better, all right?
Our team's effort was amazing, and all we could ask for until the very end. We fought until the very end.
Next year, I will be back, and I will be better, and I will be ready to improve myself and do everything I can for my team to help us win.
You're watching PG13 2023.